anyway, this is the first time I'm doing live solo, and I'm reacting to a bunch of stuff. I let you guys make requests. I only have a few minutes left tonight, so I can only take a few songs. But what we saying? We should do "Who's True" by Davido. I know that was one of the first comments that came through. So, Richard, I don't know if Richard is still here, but we're definitely gonna do your song now, bro. Tion Wayne, UK artist. I think he has a Nigerian background. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think he has a Nigerian background. He has been guilty of destroying one of those Yoruba names. Adeola. If there's any Adeola, I'm sorry. Tion Wayne is an amazing rapper. Like, I'm curious as to how he's going this one. I'm not curious really. I kind of can predict where he's going with this. I heard a snippet of this actually, and when I saw it, it kind of gave an immediate. A bunch of people were talking about it, and I think it was even strong in it. That it had a sample of T-Pain's "Sprung," and I'm curious as to how the entire feel is. He has a video, and this is for his album, and this is for his album that's coming out. So yeah, Debbie C is saying Obongja is also on the Little Sims album. Yes, I saw that too, and I'm gonna give Little Sims a special listen as well. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's watch a video, guys. Let's do it together. I think it's a good time to do a video reaction live. I'm looking forward to this. Davido on a massive run of features this year. I just finished reacting to High with Adekunle Gold. He has dropped he has done K-Star remix. He has done with Tenny For You. He has done you guys already know. Davido is on a massive run. Still yet to give us a single this year though. But I'm expecting something from him this year, hopefully. But yeah, meanwhile, let's deal with the features that we have. Let's go. I know you wanna go yard with me. I like it. Yeah, this is the T-Pain one. Let's go. Produced by J5. Let's go. Yo, the bling, man. Oh no! You can't. Oh no! This is gonna be mad. I love that those electronic like harmonic. I forget what the instrument's called, but you know when the ones that they play with the mouth and they play keys on it too. I'm hearing that J5 is doing for this one, and it sounds sick. Well, T-Pain does it, so it's a nice nod to T-Pain. Nah, this is dope. This is dope. Let's go.
Yo, my life like a film. She asked how I make a meal and still go on a drill. My cases are caught, went on misdemeanors. I ain't take the 4-4 just to lick the dealers. Hey. But a wise man never said nothing at all.
Can you hear those church keys? I'm sure J5 took his time. J5 took his time with this one. I'm hearing those church keys. I hear in the background all those all those chord progressions, and you're hearing again the electronic harmonic thing at the background. I forgot what that thing's called. And bro, this vibe is so calm. It's so minimalist at the same time. There's not much going on. It was very, very easy to hear Tion Wayne word for word. Tion Wayne is obviously here. The narrative is what you would hear from any roadman in the UK. This is kind of like a similar narrative you hear about his experiences. Coming out, doing time and stuff, and facing cases and whatnot. So far is a vibe, and Davido is about to body this verse again. It's a verse, it's chorus. She act like she never knew I'm a superstar. Yo, Kid Maya. Show me who's true. She said she see me hey. I think she does Jojo. Yo, Davido, man. Let's go.
From the 9, see a step so close. Every time I think about a sex, oh God.
Okay, now we're talking about the ladies.
Make my head go, making all my friends go on.
Okay.
All about my paper, got rich now. Everybody wanna.
I think just vibing to it, man.
Never put yourself in danger. Is it? Up now. Why you rolling with a shaver?
Nah, Tion Wayne, drop some vocals for us now, huh? Okay. Show me who's true. Oh, nah, Davido killed this.
I think she does juju. Love can turn man to a fool.
He said, I think she does juju. Is that what he said?
I think she does juju.
Okay, I think she does juju.
Love can turn man to a
It's I'm Sprung. Yes, it's I'm Sprung. Yeah. That was dope. That was a dope listen. Not bad at all. Davido and Tion win. I think Davido definitely stole the show for me. I'm very impressed with Davido's presence here. Like it was very calm. It fit well in the atmosphere. And J5, a monster production here. Definitely making it obvious where he's tapping the inspiration from for this one. The song narrative is about being like so hell bent on somebody, like who was so sprung, and I think it was the same narrative that T-Pain did as well. And it would have been nice to have T-Pain actually on this one, but who knows who knows, maybe Tion Wayne sent T-Pain a DM and T-Pain hasn't got into it yet. But anyway, I'm loving the vibe that Tion Wayne is going. This is for a new album, and I'm curious how the album is gonna sound exactly, because he's obviously bringing some important elements to it. Like he's bringing the Afrobeat market. He's opening to the Afrobeat market, the Afro swing market, and having Davido, OBO, a superstar on this. I know many stars will start comparing this to Location. Start comparing this to what's that one with Wiz? The Talk Box. Yeah, thank you, reminding me for the Talk Box. That's what it was. But yeah, anyway, I forget. But people are gonna be comparing this to the other ones. But I don't think it's anywhere even going for the same vibe. This is just gonna be calm. And yeah, System. Thank you, Makinde. It was System. Fine. I don't know why I forgot that song. But yeah, it's System it is. But anyway, yeah, like I don't think this is doing too much in terms of like making a club record, or trying to like, this is just a nice record to have as a filler on your album. And I love Davido's presence on this. Absolutely not a bad track at all. That was mad. What are we listening to again today?